free to ride bicycle around Takasaki. Marami yan area na yan where you can see more bikes and free to use yan. You can use those bikes around Takasaki area. Then pagbalik ninyo, ibabalik yung hinulog ninyo 100 coin will return if you will return the bike. And that's the rule. Ayan, that's our Shaksho City Municipal. I need to renew my number card early as possible. Ay, walang koi. Very nice to walk kasi it's cloudy. Ayun pa yung sets of bike. You can use those bike for free. Free bike. Around Takasaki area lang. Pwede niyong gamitin. You can use that. And here now.